Hey, my name is Marcin Mikus. I am internationally published beauty and fashion retoucher. And today, I'm coming to you with this amazing color grading course that let your images stand out from the crowd. Why colors are so important in photography? Remember that images are not only the frame from people's life. Images tell the stories, and colors are its content. You want people feel when they look at the image. You want to show them what you feel through the image, no matter if you are a photographer or retoucher as I am. To me, as a retoucher, colors are most important part of the image and information behind them. It is also my favorite part of my work, working with reds to show strong emotions, going with pink to make it soft, or working with blue colors to make it comfortable for our eyes. This is what I'm teaching you. But you could ask, why this course is so special? What's the difference between this course and other courses? Well, I'm not going to talk only about theory of color, but mostly we are going to work on real examples, on work that was published, so you know it is not some amateur experiment. I cover few different subjects in photography: outdoor photography, studio fashion and beauty photography, as well as street fashion photography. So you know this course is for you. I'm going to meet you once again in our learning adventure.